Yo, yo, yo! Welcome back. After 3 long years, we haven't seen anything like this. Oh, Sultan Iskandar Muda International Airport is now back open. Guys, we're about to eat some dinner, some fresh chicken fried from Aceh, and this is the place, and this is the view. Oh yeah, bener. Wow. Guess what? You see the road? That's the airfield. You gotta see airplanes land on this field. Okay, so we're at a beach. Obviously, you can see these huts. I'm passing these empty huts because I'm very early in the morning. And guess what? Guess what? This is what I'm talking about. Woo! Woo! Aceh Beach with Aceh sands and Aceh cloudy skies with Aceh people.
Aceh people.
Hello.
Mister.
Masru. Hi. Check this out. Where am I? Okay, we arrived at a new location today. This location is very epic, I might say. Check this out. Very epic. Check this out. Ini ada orang ambil foto, orang dari desa-desa nih ambil foto, kampung-kampung. Ya. Ini orang kampung ambil foto nih. Ini lewat. Apa? Malah dihalang-halangin mau foto loh.
what you call Sialagan. Sialagan is...
What the fuck is that?
Come on, man. Stop with the profanity. This is a sacred place, you know. Come on, grow up.
Alright.
This is a traditional place. This is our heritage, our culture, a part of Toba, Samosir culture. You know, come here. This stone is as old as time itself.
Bloody hell!
Bloody hell! I don't know what bloody hell means.
I'm avoiding the profanity.
Okay.
Alright.
This stone was set back then when the people that built this place is still here. You know, I think my estimation is that this particular wall is the original wall. It's built around about last week, you know.